was today. So anyhow, I get up this morning and I went ahead and called my, they call it business owner associate or something like that, just to tell them you might have to reschedule that because I'm on my break and I can't make it. And then she was like, "Yeah, the appointment's not until tomorrow." And I'm like, and then the light bulb went off, and I was just like, "Oh my god!" And she was like, "Yeah, it's tomorrow, not today." And then I was like, "Oh my god!" I did all this like fretting, and I was thinking that they had scheduled it, for today. And she's like, "No, no, no, you got until tomorrow. You're okay." And I was like, "Oh, okay. I'll be there tomorrow morning, bright and early, 0500 Mountain Time." So here I am getting times screwed up again, days screwed up. But anyhow, so it's all working out pretty good. I got the truck fixed. I got the truck inspected. So my inspection is done. Schneider requires that you get your truck inspected every 30 days, even though the DOT only really requires it like once a year. The Schneider, if you're going to contract with Schneider, you got to do it every 90 days, which is understandable. I mean, they want to make sure that the trucks are, running good, and that you're not going to get on, pulled over on some roadside inspection or pulled into a way station and have a bunch of stuff, you know, that doesn't pass, and then you get shut down out on the road with a load. They don't want, so that's what they're trying to avoid. And so, if you're getting your truck inspected every 90 days, the likelihood of, he's 80 miles away south of here, and go back up to Oregon, back to Salem. And then I have been, it says it's 5G. I don't know. It seems like I'm always getting some kind of interference or something. Either redo it or tell there. Oh, shall we?